Hi, this is Julie Crippen, and I borrowed a course from the state office to use for this course. And in the first module, they have the students look at the teacher licensure process. And I've tried to change this a little bit so that it's up to date and reflects true learning. One of the issues that I'd like help with during this course is that in the very first module, the assignment is to research secondary admission requirements for 6 North Carolina public universities for the pre-K to birth, or rather birth to 3K learning. The problem is that as you read down through what they want the students to do, they have them actually go to the 12 universities in the UNC system and research the requirements for each one. Then you put that into a chart, and then for the writing narrative, you pick 2 of the universities and write a short 300-word narrative on the 2 universities they plan to apply upon graduation. So after learning about this module and learning how I could make this a truly reflective assignment, I decided that we would change it a little bit. And so I added some things to it. One is I put in all the links to all the universities to the Birth to K program. I figured this way the students will have an easier time getting to the links and save them a little bit of frustration in doing so. Secondly, I set up a little video and added a link to that so they would see what the chart should look like in the end, and then they can fill in the information. Again, I think this will give the students a little bit of information and guidance into how to do this assignment. I also used the rubric that they had for this so the students can clearly see how many points this is worth and what a good and great example are for this assignment. So what I'm looking for is when I went through Abby Brown's video, I was hoping to change this a little bit more to make this more reflective of an assignment that students would truly capture their heart and capture their interest in. Because right now I don't think that it's as interesting as it should be, and it may lose some of the students. I'm particularly concerned because it's the first module and they only get progressively harder from here. And I need to make sure the students are grabbed with a hook and that they are interested in the process. Of course, the transfer is the most successful option for them to do in order to have a livable wage. So I want to make sure that they truly understand and do the research so they know what is coming for them in order to be successful in their transfer experience. I would love to get your thoughts and feelings about how I could improve this assignment. Thank you so much.